Did you know that avoiding gluten is not only for people with celiac disease? Diarrhea, bloating, abdominal pain, constipation, rashes, eczema, skin inflammation, confusion, fatigue, anxiety, numbness, depression, lack of focus, difficulty speaking, weight loss, nutrient deficiencies, diminished immune function, osteoporosis, headaches, anemia. If you have any of these, watch this video. Hey guys, I'm Maddie Owens, the creator of IamFitandFabulous.com. If you are new here, this channel is for women who want to learn healthy behaviors and empower themselves to create lasting changes in their lives. Welcome to your Healthy Living Crash Course. Today we're going to talk about gluten. During my program, I'm asking you to completely eliminate gluten for the first 10 days of each month and then reduce your gluten intake for the remaining 20 days. So what is gluten? Gluten is the general name for proteins that are found in wheat products. These products include wheat berry, durum, emmer, semolina, spelt, rye, barley, and other grains. Gluten gives these foods their squishiness or elasticity. We all know why we love it. Just think about your favorite slice of cheese pizza. But why is it not good for some of us? Well, for one, it can be really hard to break down gluten and use it as a protein source in our bodies because it's so tightly held together. Not only is it largely unusable, but if we can't break down proteins properly, our immune system will see it as an invader, and then it will signal our body to attack it, and then that creates inflammation. Our gastrointestinal system, or your GI tract, it's designed to be a closed system, a lot like the water pipes in your house. There are certain places in our bodies called tight junctions. This is where certain nutrients can pass from your gastrointestinal system into systemic circulation. We like to call these the checkpoints in your GI lining. Dr. Alessio Fasano is the director of the Center for Celiac Disease. He's also the chief of pediatric gastroenterology and nutrition at Massachusetts General Hospital for Children. He has done extensive research on gluten. He discovered that gliadin, a protein found inside of gluten, can actually cause these tight junctions to open up. This process has been termed leaky gut. When leaky gut is present, the spaces in between the cells open up too much. This allows larger protein pieces to get into the bloodstream where an inflammatory immune reaction takes place. This can allow potentially harmful intestinal contents into our bloodstream. It can also allow systemic immune cells into our GI system, and this is where things can get easily confused. This process is linked to multiple conditions: Crohn's disease, type 1 diabetes, asthma, multiple sclerosis, glioma, and irritable bowel disease. In a nutshell, we don't really need gluten. The most common foods that you eat that contain gluten are baked goods, breads, and pastas. Thankfully, there are several pastas that come naturally gluten-free because they aren't made from wheat. You have chickpea pasta, red lentil pasta, yellow lentil pasta, rice pasta, brown rice pasta, edamame pasta, soy pasta, black bean pasta, so on and so forth. I also encourage you to eat gluten-free bread and gluten-free crackers. Since there are so many alternatives available to us, I am confident that you'll have no problem eliminating gluten from your diet. Thank you so much for watching today's Healthy Living Crash Course. I have a few questions for you to answer to check your comprehension. Until next time. The next video in this series will cover dairy, and in the meantime, check out my video on exercise.